Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Very good. When I was coming to this institution, I saw one person lying and another person giving him CPR. Do you know CPR?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation.
Excellent. Thank you. Very good, Mr. Swagar.
Thank you, sir.
Can you say why that person lying on the road near the electricity pole? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Excellent. That is electrical shock. Now, today I am giving you example and giving you the full theory about and practical demonstration about polarity. What is polarity? Polarity is a term used in electricity and electronics. It is the directional flow of electron from one pole to another pole. Clear? Very good. The flow of current will be positive terminal to negative terminal, but the electron flow negative terminal to positive terminal. In the sense, the pole relatively more electrons is said to be negative polarity and the other is positive polarity. If we connect the two poles by conductive wires, then the electron flows from negative pole towards to the positive pole. Thus, this flow of charge carriers constitutes the electric current. But polarity test. Polarity test is verified and determine phase conductor, neutral conductor and earth. Polarity test can be done in three ways. One is polarity test through by visual inspection. Second, polarity test through continuity. Polarity test through live testing. In one, polarity test visual inspection. There is three where first one is red one. Red one is phase conductor. And another one is blue, that is neutral conductor. Another one is yellow with green, that is earth. Then you can determine the pole. This is phase, this is neutral and this is earth. And the second one is polarity test through continuity test. There is a testing series board and there is a test lamp. We can perform or we can done that test of the series board through phase and neutral. Suppose you put it phase and neutral, it glows. That means one point is phase, another point is neutral. Then we can place it phase and earth, then it can glow. But due to the earth problem in here, that is not glow. So it can be determined which is earth and which is phase and which is neutral. Understand? Thank you. Another way to determine the voltage of the phase and the neutral and the earth. First we have to put in voltage of this multimeter, and this is the common and that is the voltage side. We can put it in 10 ampere, so we can determine the voltage. We can put it in 750 or 250. We can put it 750. Suppose we can put it, this is the phase and this is neutral and this is earth. If we put the red one in phase and neutral one is negative, then it shows 230. Look, 230. And if we put phase and earth, also 230. If we put phase and neutral and earth, does not show anything. So we can perform the polarity test in three ways. First one is using the color combination of the wire. This is red one. This is red one is phase, and blue one is neutral, and yellow and green it is earth. Then we perform by the test lamp to continuity test by the help of test board, and the last one we use the multimeter to use the multimeter for test of polarity of the three phase of the 3 point phase, neutral and earth. Any doubt and you have any questions from you?
No, sir.
Very good, thank you. Mr. Swagar, can you perform here? Can you identify the tools, please?
Definitely, sir. This is screwdriver.
Yeah, very good.
This is test pen.
Yes, very good.
And this is wire stapler.
Very good.
And this is the series board.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Last one, I summarize the test for the polarity. Why we test this polarity test? In test should be indicating the full voltage between phase and neutral and phase and earth conductor, but voltage should be detected between earth. No voltage should be detected between earth and neutral. In the third experiment and third process, this is live test for polarity. In visual inspection, we simply check the wires which is positive or phase conductor, this is negative for neutral, blue and neutral conductor, and this is earth, yellow and green conductor. And second one, you can measure or you can test the polarity by using test lamp and also the multimeter. So why it is necessary, the polarity test? Polarity test is necessary for describe the procedure and the conducting polarity test by the trainees or by the learners performing the wiring electrical instrument in building. We can use this polarity test or this polarity testing process through the building construction or construct the electricity circuit to the building. And can I ask some questions?
Yes, sir.
Very good. In the DC circuit, is it possible to take the test of polarity? Yes, very good, thank you. Why it is necessary? In the DC circuit, the flow of electron is one-way process, because the current, AC current or AC sources is rectified through the rectifier and it converts AC to DC. So DC circuit or DC flow of electron is one-way process. So the polarity test for the DC circuit or DC transformer is must. Very good, thank you.